In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a site logo widget to your WordPress site. This process is quick and straightforward, perfect for anyone looking to enhance their website's branding with just a few simple steps. Adding a logo not only lends visual appeal to your site, but also reinforces brand recognition, which is essential for maintaining a strong online presence. To get started, you'll need to visit wordpress.com. Open up your web browser and type in the URL, then hit enter. You'll find yourself on the main page of WordPress, where you can manage all your site needs. Once you're here, locate the login option at the upper corner of the page and go ahead and click on it. If you're regularly updating or managing your WordPress site, you're probably quite familiar with the login process, but for those less experienced, don't worry, it's pretty straightforward. After clicking login, you'll notice an option to continue logging in using Google. This greatly simplifies the process if your WordPress account is linked with your Google account. Click on the Continue with Google button and a list of Google accounts associated with your browser will pop up. Simply select the one associated with your WordPress account. This step brings you to the dashboard of your website, offering a host of links and options to get things done faster. Once logged in and on your dashboard, look towards the right hand side of your screen under Quick Links. Here you'll see an option that says Edit Site. Click this option to proceed into the site editor interface, a space where you can breathe life into your creative ideas and overlook the progression of your site. In the editor, turn your attention to the top left corner of the interface, where you should see a button labeled Add. This button allows you to insert a variety of blocks onto your page. Click this button to start the process of adding the logo widget. When the menu opens, you'll want to type Site Logo into the search bar. WordPress offers easy navigation and quick retrieval of features, making it user-friendly and efficient for enhancing your site. Once you've typed in Site Logo, you should see an option appear with that name. This is the widget you'll be adding to your site. Simply click on Site Logo to select it. From here, you'll be guided to upload your logo file. Remember that your logo should be high quality and appropriately sized, ensuring it appears crisp and clear to your site visitors. And there you go, with just a few clicks, you've successfully added a site logo widget to your WordPress site. This small addition can make a big difference in professionalizing your digital presence. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to explore more WordPress features to keep your site looking its best.